With the new update for WhatsApp application, now it is possible for you to set a custom wallpaper for the individual chat in WhatsApp application. That means for each contact you can set individual wallpaper. For that one, I will open WhatsApp application, and suppose if I want to set a custom wallpaper to any of the contact here, I will select the contact here, then I will tap on the name at the top. I will go to wallpaper and sound, and from here I can choose a new wallpaper. I will select this option, choose a new wallpaper, and I have different options here. I have the option to select from the bright, so I can select any of the wallpaper. I can select from dark if you want the dark wallpaper. Also, you have the option to select solid colors. You can select any colors from here. Or if you go to photos, you have the option to set any photo from your gallery as the wallpaper. For me, I will go to solid colors here and let me set this one as the wallpaper. Now you can see this is the preview how the wallpaper will look. If you are happy, then select set. Now this will be the wallpaper for this contact. If you see, this is the wallpaper. And if I go back and if I select any of the other contact, you can see that the wallpaper here is not changed. One more thing, if you go here and if you go to this name at the top and if you go to wallpaper and sound, you also have the option to have a different alert tone for this contact. Now by default for all of the contact, the alert sound will be default. That means whenever you receive a text from the other contact, you will have the default sound for all of the contact in WhatsApp. But if you want to have a separate sound for a particular contact so that you will know who has sent you a message, then you can select any of the alert sound. For example, if I select this one, now this will be the alert sound for this particular contact whenever the contact will send me a message in WhatsApp application. And at last you have to select this option, save. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.